Hi, we'll be looking at building the project right from build selections to generating code and listing builds in this section. And then in following video, we'll go through how to run those, builds or how to run apps. Just a quick recap. In previous video, we saw connect and import tables, and we have imported these tables from a database source we define. We can use MySQL Workbench to connect to our cloud database server and query and create objects. So we have imported these tables and views inside Easy Manage Workspace, and you can see them in the list as well. So we have, yeah, 4 tables to views available for building our app and APIs. How do you make the selection of objects to build the project? So there are a couple of ways. There is a generate code menu here, link available. One of the option is generate for all tables. Please note the views inside database are also treated as table by Easy Manage, and they work equivalently. So we can just generate the app and APIs for all the tables so far we have imported, or we can bookmark them. And in our current session, we can bookmark. If you sign out, come back later, and then bookmark more, then you can access all bookmarks via this menu. So let me show how to quickly bookmark them and then select via session bookmark. So that's the preferred way. The generate for all tables is good when you are doing it first time and you want to build project or build the app for all your objects. So So going back to Builder Studio menu and quickly to see our relevant documentation, we were looking at using Builder Studio from Easy Manage documentation, and we are now covering this manage table, build selection, project explorer, generate code, or build project and list builds area. So let me also show the license quota, because once we imported the tables, we have already consumed 6 for the TB import. And for generate code, we haven't utilized any, and it is available for us. So let's go back to Builder Studio menu. So to bookmark the tables to build project on, you can go to Studio, Explorer tables, and all the objects imported at a time are kept in a folder. So we can just bookmark this folder and then go back to generate code menu, select generate project for our session bookmarks, and then you can see it is available here or it is displayed here. If there is no selection available, then probably the bookmark hasn't been made, or there is no selection, so you cannot build the project. So since it is appearing here and we have selected the object, database tables and views to be build the project upon, let's quickly look at what are the other options available here. So you would leave this to tree level, and Easy Manage follows the Explorer kind of methodology. And if there are objects on only root tree you want, then you can select one level, but otherwise keep it to tree level. For those columns in database which are like blob or glob, They are converted into Easy Manager stream field types, and you can exclude them if you like. They are heavy, in terms of data transfer and depends upon your use case. By default, they are selected. Only you can exclude by making this checkbox check. Then we generate the Flutter app and GraphQL and REST APIs, and for them, the date format and time format you can decide. So let's keep it default, or you can change to what you prefer. And local defines what kind of a currency you will have for the currency types. So I'm gonna leave it to English US, and then submit will generate the app, Flutter app, GraphQL, and REST APIs for me. So let me click on submit. So you can see that it has processed the tables and views, and it has created the API endpoints and created the application screens and other information, and it has also utilized this generate quota. Here is a list of all the files that has been generated. And now this build, the generated build is available in the list build section. So we have this build available in the list build section. As of now, there's only one build available, and we can download it. Download will create a zip and download it to your desktop. Let's download this. So once the download is complete, I could just navigate to the downloads folder and then extract the build. This zip will contain the front end, back end, and some of the common files and everything. And for front end, we have Flutter app, Angular preview app, and for back end, we have REST and GraphQL APIs. So to understand how to locate the apps and to run builds, we will cover it in the next section.